aba Banyakatozi Growers Cooperative Union Limited aba bakagura itaka har Western Importers and Distributors Company Limited kandi takero bwa nyuma yo kuruzamu bakija bahirike bizimbe ibya bintu byingana 20 ibyo abaturage babiri bamazire kombe ko mu itakeri ubu baruko baturu kugira ngo bakaba batahirira itaka erya Nyakatozi Growers Cooperative Union Limited. Bwa nyuma y'ibyo nakubaho police kija ko mwanyogo kandi no kwetyo yayemereza imirimo yona yabire negendo misho okurjira abaturage omuri Kirembe bagira ngo Nyakatozi Growers Cooperative Union Limited aba bakija bazo mu itakeri nuko batyo batandika kuhireka amajugabo hamwe n'ebizimbe bindi batine kwebuza kona no kwakuba kusiga kantu kona kemerire
nabinganiye kana makwa michalangera abantu abatutrazi bakasaterera amanyumba etwa walenga 20 wese bamataka wa hese abantu abatera ya manyumba abantu nabarenga tashahulekerera bamawende oiria tumolohe ne DPC haimana RDC
twabererwa malwa manene erangira tutuka guiding abantu aba barakende basumbuwe twabereho ngo kitwiko kwa ewa meya main at directinga ewa kauni ya hamula directive ekachungula mitano usana na litakali ari Western na Nyakatonzi ebiye kanzari nyawo kwa bataka
okurjira aharbela Emmanuel ori umuhandi cy'umukuru ahabwo rugando rwa Kirembe nagira ngo bamemba ba Nyakatozi Growers Cooperative Union Limited bakahebwe cyapa citakeri ngo konko buhango bwitaka uburkwingana hika 26 n'ubucweka nshanju na mukaga bukaba butakwatirine n'itaka erukore ku mucapa.
Among these documents there are various, but I have the survey reports which was done for the opening by the district surveyor called Chitura. This is the document which opened up and found that those people were different from their title by 47.67 acreage, which they had included and removed their stones to cover that bataka.
Nagira ngo akaciko ka body ahabwa Kasese district kakozere cyone cyo kubasika kureba ngahiko mu basaveya kabasa kubana kabashabe bihandiko ebe kwatiri na hitakeri kandi nuko batyo babase kubana barugayo bashoze bihandiko ebe rukoreka emyatano yitakeri.
They have been deceiving the whole village that the title covers the whole area at large. They evicted after judging them to defeat the Molewa group, where we came as witness by National Muhiwa, the Rigi leader. We recommended the court that those people have a title. After the eviction, after they had got the case on they had challenged those group, but those people went ahead to evict people.
Ibrahim Kitaremire ugunwar kukurira kaciko akanyakatozi Growers Cooperative Union nagira ngo bakastamo mu rukiko basharamo kugira ngo bagende batere bizimbe byona hansi ebyabire byo mu itaka ryabo kandi batagira na cumwe icyo basigaho.
Yeah, here to chase the encroachers who have come to encroach on our land. We're on this land since 1998 to date. We are the owners and we are the people using the land. But surprisingly, we have found the people constructing new structures on our land. So that's why we have come and destroy all the structures which we don't know who have put them up on our land.
Konka bwa nyuma ya police kubazibira okugira ngo batagumiza muno kushenya amaju hamwe n'ebizimbe by'abantu ebyabire biryo mwanyogu or mukuru wakaciko akanyakatozi Growers Cooperative Union Limited Ibrahim Kitaremire akarwaye yagira ngo nibija gukora terenshongeji bareba habwenshi babazibire okugumiza muno bashenye bizimbe bi obwa hati itakeri no rukumwa barinda businje kandi tine mu rumogona ogubar kwiciriza umuntu nomwe okugira ngo akoreremu gasha kwa Muhindo Gerard ahabwa Sky TV agenshonga
bo abataka ku